All right, North American, we're out here in Massachusetts and we've just installed this 8,000 pound capacity Universalift Barrett Jackson red and black tribute colors to match the snap-on gear in the back end there. And she went together nice, all the bolts lined up, nobody got cut. One shot. Our safety linkage on these now is pre-bent to the shape of a horseshoe on the short side so that homeowners can install it if they want to tackle the job without having a ton of adjustment. Then all you have to do is spin the long rod, that adjuster that you see right there, to compensate. So the safeties are perfectly timed once you're set on the weldments, and then you lock the jam nuts underneath. 3 drip trays standard, jack tray, 110 volt power unit. Best $2,100 you'll ever spend.